I grew up in a small town, Tumsar, which is near Nagpur, with my two brothers and sister. We had a very comfortable childhood, and I was always encouraged to become successful in my life by my parents. When I was growing up, at that time girls were encouraged to finish their 12th and graduation and get married. But my father always wanted me to do a higher education, that too in medical. I was the first girl in my family who got into medical, और जो अपने स्मॉल प्लेस से जाके बाहर जाके जिसने मेडिकल किया. एंड मेनी आर अगेंस्ट दिस डिसीजन ऑफ माई फादर बिकॉज दे आर सेइंग लाइक कि लड़की है, बाहर जाके क्या करेगी, इतना पढ़ लिख के क्या करेगी. बट माई फादर वॉज फर्म कि नहीं, शी विल डू मेडिकल and she will go out of this town. And when I had to choose my specialization, I chose radiology, which was a male dominated field 16 years back. उस टाइम पे ऐसा था कि लड़की है, रेडियोलॉजी करके क्या करेगी, सीटी स्कैन एमआरआई कैसे करेगी, एक्सरे कहाँ से निकालेगी, इतना महंगा मशीन कहाँ से खरीदेगी. लेकिन अगेन आई डोंट वांट टू डू अ फीमेल डोमिनेटेड ब्रांच, आई वांट टू गो समथिंग डिफरेंट. Let's do something different. I am always a shopaholic person, and shopping is like a hobby or like a therapy to me. I love trying new products, being a hair care, skin care or clothing, anything. And if that product is good and giving me result, then I always stick to that product. And if I don't like that product at all, then it goes to my shelf. I have this shelf in my bathroom where you can see many half-use products. It's a hair care product, skin care product. Many a times they didn't meet up my expectation, or they are not giving me that results which were promised. So I am always searching for something new. Basically my natural hair type is curly, and it's always hard to find a good product for curly hair. And when I was growing up, my dadi and my mom used to make that paste of avla, shikekai and methi and kadi patta at home, and I used to use that. During those days we had only one type of shampoo, and everyone is using that only. During those days नया ad आना चालू हो गया था, and that models also they had all shiny, long, straight hair. So I used to think my hair type was not perfect. I need to fix my hair. They should look like that models. दिमाग में था कि that hair type is perfect. So for that I started hitting saloons. From last 15 years, I am doing all this type of hair procedure, chemical based hair procedure. First I did my rebonding 15 years back, and after that I did keratin, cystine, botox. I did botox 5 to 6 years back. जब मार्केट में नया आता था कि ये प्रोसीजर आया है, चलो ट्राई करते हैं, लेट्स ट्राई दिस. So this cycle is repeating from last 10 to 15 year. I am doing all this procedure every year. Starting में अच्छा लगा, 1-2 साल अरे वाह मस्त दिख रहे. After that it's all straight. तो I mean कुछ डिफरेंस था ही नहीं, and I was not liking that look कि मेरे को इसको चेंज करना था. लेकिन मैं चेंज कैसे करूँ, क्योंकि मेरे बालों का क्वालिटी, हेयर का क्वालिटी इतना खराब हो गया था. ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसीजर the hair bond was changed, and even my hair type also changed. I lost my curls. One day I realized कि my mom, my nani, my dadi, they still have such a wonderful hair, and I lost all of my natural hair. Now I will stop all this. अब मेरे को ये कुछ करना ही नहीं है. मैं ये पार्लर वालों के ट्रैप में आने वाली हूँ नहीं. अभी मैं कोई भी प्रोसीजर करने वाली हूँ नहीं. I want my natural curls back. I want my natural hair back. I have to use the product which is available in the market, which has ingredient which raise my eyebrow, and some of them just didn't meet my expectation. So from here it started कि results नहीं मिल रहे कहीं से, and I was not happy with my hair. तो घर पे ही कुछ बनाया जाए. तो मैं खुद ही आंवला, शिकेकाई, रीठा, कड़ी पत्ता, मेथी सीड्स, कोकोनट वाटर, ये सब लाके मैंने घर पे ही एक्सपेरिमेंट स्टार्ट किया. जो मेरे दादी नानी थे उनको याद कर करके कि कैसे करते थे, उस टाइप से हमने घर पे ही स्टार्ट किया कि चलो घर पे ही कुछ बनाते हैं. व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग, हमारा मेन एम यही था कि वी डोंट वांट एनी केमिकल, वी वांट नेचुरल, प्लांट बेस्ड, no nasties. My partner and I would sit after work for this experiment. हम दोनों ने मिलके स्टार्ट किया कि चलो रात को बैठते हैं, आफ्टर एवरीथिंग फिनिशेस, आफ्टर वर्क, आफ्टर हिज ऑफिस, हम बैठते थे और फिर चलो कुछ बनाते हैं। और सैटरडे संडेज हम ज़्यादा ट्रायल करते थे। तो हमने किचन से स्टार्ट किया, किचन के यूटेंसिल्स लिए, हमारे ग्लासेस लिए, उसमें ये सारे जो नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट थे वो मिक्सी में पीसो, कूटो, ये करो, वो करो, ऐसे कर करके हम छन्नी से छान रहे थे, घर के कपड़े से छान रहे थे। फिर और मैं ट्राई करती थी कि नहीं ये ऐसा हो रहा है, ये स्टिक हो रहा है, फिर दूसरा बनाते थे, फिर ट्रायल एंड एरर करते रहे। और ये हमने एक दिन या 2 दिन नहीं किया है, ये ट्रायल एंड एरर हमने आई थिंक सो कि 2 years के लिए हम कर रहे थे। ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस हमने कंडीशनर का मशीन अमेज़ॉन से लिया, हमने वेइंग मशीन्स लिए, हमने काफ़ी कुछ इक्विपमेंट घर पे ही ले लिए थे। नाउ वी हैव अ स्मॉल लैब एट आवर होम। ये जो हम बना रहे थे एक्चुअली दैट वाज नॉट दैट ग्रेट, कि ये इतना वाव इसमें फीलिंग नहीं आ रहा था। बन तो रहा था लेकिन ऐसा कि इसमें और कुछ तो कमी है, कि और कुछ तो होना चाहिए, ये परफेक्ट नहीं है, समथिंग इज मिसिंग हियर कम आवर फॉर्मुलेशन एक्सपर्ट। डॉक्टर बालू हेल्प्ड अस टू मेक न्यू फॉर्मुलेशन विच आर मोर इफेक्टिव, विच आर इनोवेटिव, which are natural. I have my MBBS friends, friends from my society and my other friends who are facing same problem with their hair, with their hair products. So I asked them कि हम ये try करें क्या? Do you want to try these products? Do you want to being a part of Imaya? So they said why not? So we are giving samples to curly hair girls, straight hair girls, wavy hair girls and इसके बाद उनके भी inputs आने लग गए। So we started improving our products. So more girls, more feedback, more improvement and more formulation. And we end up getting the formulation which everyone says ki yes, this is it. This is the best formulation. So we end there. Ki when everyone says yes, this is the product which I want. When we are doing all this research, then I realized ki there are many hair types. Not just straight or not just curly, we have wavy, even in straight we have subtypes, even in curly we have subtypes. So we studied each strand, we study every bond, and after that we made this formulation for every hair type. One thing I am really proud of, that our products are tried and tested by real women. When you see our Imaya page, you will see all these girls, there is no filter, there is no Photoshop, there is no parlor element added to this. They have not done any blow dry or anything. They are loving their natural hair, and that's what we want for you. More than a brand, Imaya is a community of women. You can also be a part of our journey. Join our sisterhood.